Hello, and this is Jessica Dale. Tonight we are making walleye fillets. I have a bowl here with some walleye fillets in it and 1/3 cup of olive oil, which I'm going to pour over it. I also have 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seafood seasoning I'm going to add. And finally, 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper flakes. I'll add those in. Okay, now I'm going to stir it. I have a spoon here.
Turn your bowl. All the sides.
Now we have it stirred, and I'm going to pour it into this baking dish, and we'll bake it for 20 minutes at 350.